Welcome to J.H. Fletcher & Company. Our founder and namesake, James Herbert Fletcher, was a consulting engineer who found opportunity in the underground mining industry as mechanization began to dramatically improve safety and productivity. That was over 80 years ago. His sons were engineers, and they quickly contributed to growth and expansion of our organization.
The company was founded in 1937 in Chicago. We moved to Huntington in 1947, and the Fletcher family is still involved today. I am a fourth generation Fletcher, and my son and daughter are involved in the organization as well. When I started with the company when I was 15, my grandfather told me that we don't have 175 employees, we have 175 families that are depending on us. And that's continued on through the years as we have fathers, sons, uncles, brothers, daughters that work together throughout the organization.
J.H. Fletcher & Company is a closely held business with long-term ownership stability. This allows us to focus on long-term success as an organization, benefiting our customers, our employees, and our community. It creates a culture with unity of purpose, and that is to provide value to our customers.
J.H. Fletcher & Company has an expert staff of domestic and international sales representatives. These representatives set themselves apart from the competition by having the ability to have an open, detailed conversations about the customer's problem or issue they are having at their facility. We will take these discussions and engineering will design solutions. And from these designs, we will manufacture a custom piece of equipment that addresses safety and productivity issues at their facility. In fact, many of the early standard pieces of equipment that Fletcher now offers are the results of this type of collaboration with the customer.
At our core, Fletcher Engineering brings together several disciplines: mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, software, standards, risk analysis, human factors, and documentation, just to get started. That provides the necessary input to completely design and manufacture equipment to meet your needs. We respond to your needs with solutions that can range from as simple as uncomplicated as possible to accomplish a task, all the way to robotics and operations that are remote or autonomous. Our manufacturing is a discrete final assembly process utilizing a team of experienced and cross-trained personnel. It incorporates a supply chain utilizing a combination of in-house manufacturing, long-term local shop partners who build to our specifications, and vendors of components selected on their ability to be fit for purpose by engineering and by our experience.
When you buy a piece of equipment from J.H. Fletcher & Company, you're getting a piece of equipment only built in the United States. Our employees take great pride in the work that they do. They are highly trained with most bays, have 15 to 20 years experience on average. We build from the ground up, and we only build custom piece of equipment, no assembly line here. They take the utmost care to turn out the best piece of equipment to you, the customer.
J.H. Fletcher is an ISO 9001 approved facility. Our quality team ensures that processes are formalized and followed inside our organization, and they also verify that our specifications are met by our suppliers and in the end by our finished equipment that's shipped to you. Our field service team is top-notch. They are trained and tested on their technical competency and have the specific training on the equipment that we manufacture for you. We back them up with parts and engineering support. They're available for machine orientation and startup, maintenance training, routine service, periodic inspection, technical support, and repair work. They are there to assure your Fletcher machine maintains its availability throughout its life cycle. Thank you for being interested in our company. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you and become part of your organization.